A San Diego Padres employee was detained by ICE at an airport, even though his family says he has a valid work permit, a pending asylum. How could he be detained if he has the work permit and the asylum? So here's what happened. Oswaldo Perella, he's a minor league catching coordinator. His family says his asylum case had been pending since 2015. He always had employment authorization, but immigration said his authorized stay in the United States expired in 2018 despite the work permit. A work permit gives you authorization to work. By itself, it doesn't give you legal status to be in the United States. In all the years past, immigration would leave you alone with that valid work permit. Because even if they were to arrest you, you have the right to have that application adjudicated, certainly before immigration and certainly before an immigration judge. So why would they detain you if they weren't going to adjudicate your case? Now they don't care. And where are these arrests happening? 99% at a traffic stop or at a domestic airport. The arrests at the airport are getting a lot of publicity, but I don't believe they're happening to a large degree. Because I speak to lots and lots of people every day. Nobody's actually called me and said they got arrested at the airport. You kind of just read these sensationalized stories in the news. And that's the point. They're trying to scare people. If you have a pending asylum and you came here on a visa, they arrest you, you're going to get bail. If you have a pending adjustment and they arrest you and you're in a bona fide marriage, you're going to get bail. You're not going to get deported. They're just putting you through the system, trying to scare you, trying to make others be scared to leave the country. Ultimately, if you have a good asylum case, you're going to win it, get your green card. Ultimately, if you're in a bona fide marriage, you're going to win that, get your green card. So a pending asylum application or a pending adjustment application can remain pending, but it doesn't automatically stop ICE from detaining you, putting you into removal proceedings, and flying domestically is not an immigration violation, but an airport is not invisible to ICE. They're dealing with the airlines for sure. Or maybe TSA is dealing with ICE. According to Reuters, if we believe them, ICE arrested 800 people at the airports since the beginning of the year. So it's not a lot of people, but all of these arrests are sensationalized. The bottom line is this. If your underlying status expired, don't treat a work permit or asylum receipt as travel shield. It's not. Probably 90+% you're going to go through an airport and not be bothered. But there's always that little percentage now that ICE is using to scare the hell out of people.